let us talk about the environment and the potential threat to the environment. The words I am going to use, they may be very familiar to you, but concentrate on the collocations. Collocations are the words used together. Now, the threat to the environment. Shrinking habitats are a threat to the biodiversity. Habitat is a place where animals live and breed, and biodiversity is the variety of different types of animals and birds. Shrinking habitats are a threat to the biodiversity and endangered species. Endangered species are the animals and plants that are in danger of no longer existing. So the endangered species need legal protection if they are to survive. Although climate change skeptics, these are the people, climate change skeptics are the people who don't believe climate change is happening, or at least that there won't be any effect on the world. So the climate change skeptics, although they disagree, most of the scientists, they believe that global warming will increase. Global warming is the steady increase in the temperatures of the world. Because of the global warming that encourages the polar ice melt, resulting in the increase of sea levels and climatic changes. The carbon emissions. Carbon emissions are the gases from factories and the exhaust pipes of cars. Carbon emissions are contributing to the greenhouse effect. Greenhouse effect is the heat is trapped because of the pollution. The gases are trapped and the heat is sent back to the surface of the earth. So the carbon emissions are contributing to the greenhouse effect, and the ecological imbalance can happen. Ecological imbalance is the natural imbalance in the natural life that is there around that. Ecological imbalance can happen because of the uncontrolled deforestation. Deforestation is the clearing of the forests. In addition to this, the growth of the population is exerting severe pressure on the finite resources that we have, right? And the demographic projection is the forecast of the population. The demographic projection suggests that there will be exponential growth in the population, in the world population. To grow exponentially is to grow at an extremely rapid pace, and that again will add extra pressure to the depleting resources. Depleting resources are the reducing resources. Waste disposal. To get rid of the waste disposal is now a very big problem, an increasing problem, and toxic waste, the poisonous waste, is contaminating the rivers and seas. This will lead to water security. Water security is the ability to ensure safe water for the population, right? It will lead to issues of water security, because safe water will become a very precious commodity. Precious commodity is a valuable substance. One of the worst case scenarios is that the tropical forest, worst case scenarios is a possible worst thing that can happen in the future, is that the tropical forest will disappear by the year 2050. And the only hope is to protect the pristine environments. Pristine environment means untouched, untreaded environments like the Antarctica should be protected from development and damage. That is the only way we can protect at least some of these habitats. So my dear friends, these are some of the collocations or the words that are used together when we describe environment or the threats to the environment. See you all again in my next video, and good day everyone.